Today we're going to talk about being comfortable on camera. So here at J29 Creative Group, we're on camera a lot. We do a lot of videos, and we get this a lot. Hey, how can I be comfortable on camera? Number one to being comfortable on camera is just being yourself. When you're doing videos on social media, we're not trying to win Academy Awards here. So there's no need to try to perform. Just be yourself. Just be natural, like you're talking to a friend. The camera is your friend. Number two, practice makes perfect. So one of the key things to being on camera and getting comfortable is doing it. And as you do it more and more and more, you become more comfortable. We weren't always comfortable. It's just that, hey, we always have Toby back there following us around and pointing the camera at us. So eventually you just get good at it. Number three, stick to something you're passionate about. If you're passionate, hey, you can hear it in the voice. You get excited talking about it. That way the comfort shows on camera. When it comes to videos and being comfortable, stay true to yourself. Be authentic. Find topics where you're not trying to just BS your way around. Something that you can really authentically translate to the camera. Stop worrying about how you look. Don't worry about how you look, which side of the face or anything. And those are my tips for being comfortable on camera.